Say hi. Say hi.
Go to hell.
Go to hell.
We won't let her.
Do you love me?
No.
Why not?
You're ugly. Where's
Nobody
my
loves
lighter?
me. I'm ugly. Am I too fat for you?
Lighter?
I don't know. Where'd you do it?
You had it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I did not.
I handed it to you.
Why'd you do that?
You're one of the first outsiders to see
That
inside.
was stupid. Ah, crap. Hey, I found it. This is late. Yeah, look up. Look up. It's blinding. Don't look up. Don't look up. I don't want to see the light.
No matter.
Don't go to the light then.
Don't go to the light. Did you go to prom?
Which one?
You've been to more than one prom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
Why not? How many proms have you been to?
5.
You've been to 5 proms?
And the egg tarts
Yep.
of the
Did you
dead.
get laid?
Heroes all. Their souls will remain.
Why not?
Naomi, we are here.
Women are trouble.
Huh?
Women are trouble.
Women are trouble.
They just think about one thing.
What's that?
Money, 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 money.
Women just think about money, 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 money. Why?
That's a woman.
Why do you just think about money, 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 women? What do you think about? From a man's perspective, what do you think about?
Nothing.
You don't think about nothing.
I don't think.
Oh, he doesn't think.
Why would I think?
I know, right? That's just too hard. Thinking is for losers. Yeah, losers. What'd you get for Christmas?
Money.
You got money for Christmas? From who? Keep messaging. There's 2 of me. There's 2 of you.
Look, see?
Oh my god! What the hell? I think your first self is attacking the second self. Or vice versa. I really don't know what's going on there. It is done. Right on time. Like 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. It's in my backyard. That's where the train station is. Or, it's not really a station. It's where they do upkeep.
That's how they make the trains.
Yeah. Where they, yeah. I just got a cold chill.
Got chili bomb?
I got chili bomb.
Chili bomb.
Chili bob. What's that?
A cold chill.
Oh, chili bob. The more you know. Chili bob.